Hey, how you doing? My name is Sam. I'm over here walking to a project where we're going to be doing some repairs in the property. This is a apartment complex. We are going to be doing some stucco repairs. The gate, it's broken. So we are fixing the gate for this customer, and the lighting. The lighting outside is pretty much damaged. Some of the light bulbs are not turning on at night. So we are replacing some lighting, stucco, and the gate in this property. I'm going to give you the details. Once I get there, I'm going to give you the details of the project so you guys know. If you guys are thinking in remodeling, upgrading your property, you can always give us a call. Thank you. Bye.